Namaskar, hello, I'm Kajal Gaiwad. I sing, act, and I'm a performing arts lover. Also, I'm an old school soul stuck in Gen Z of today. So, if you're new to this channel, firstly, welcome. And you have two choices. First, watch this video till end, or you can go and check out my other videos so that you can decide whether to subscribe or not. Thank you. Moving on to today's video. So, today's video is special because I wanted to share something with you all which you also might find relatable. And also I decided to, it's the last video of year 2021, so I decided to glam up a bit. Okay, moving on to the point, I'm going to share what year 2021 was like for me. So point number one, you can heal from your traumas or mental disorders. So no matter how long you've been suffering, no matter how deep your trauma is, no matter how severe the symptoms of your mental disorder are, you can still recover from it. I'm speaking from my very own experience. I don't have any sort of expertise in it. I'll just share what has helped me. I had a similar experience at the end of year 2020 where I had to seek for help. And in that process, I basically tried to read and understand and study what are the exact causes, what is the healing strategy, what are the types of or the subcategories of certain disorders. The question is just about how much you want to come out of it, because what are you exactly doing to heal or recover from it matters the most. So the things that have helped me are, first, opening up to your closed ones. Closed ones doesn't mean your family, whoever you think is your closed ones. Basically, I'm talking about the people who, have you ever seen that plant which is like, almost dead, and you start watering it, you start putting the fertilizers and things that are required for its growth, and on the next day or two, it starts, becoming fresh and greener again. So it's basically that people who play this role in your life, open up to them about whatever is bothering you, whatever you are suffering from, because it's very sad for me to say even today that there are a lot of myths and misunderstandings about it. People don't really believe that mental disorders or traumas are a thing. They still think that when you go to a therapist, or when somebody spots you near the location of that psychotherapist's clinic, people are going to label you or tag you as, okay, iska na kuch issue hai. So people are still afraid of that. So I request you to not think about it like that, because unless and until you're not going to address and admit that this is a problem, you cannot really fix it. So things that have helped me are, first is talking to closed ones. Second is exercising. I know you're going to say, सब लोग तो भाषण देते हैं exercising पे ये भी आ गई, but it's not that. I'm speaking from my experience. Exercising basically brings everything into sync. Your sleep cycle gets better, your diet gets better, your hormones, your blood circulation, basically everything is regulated with exercise. And what exercise does to your mood is the best thing one can wish for. And I would really suggest you to try exercising, any sort of exercise. If you like dancing, go for it. If you like gymming, go for it. Weight training, cardio, anything you enjoy. Another the point that has helped me is, when you're about to sleep and somebody, comes and pats on your head, putting you to sleep. So the things that do that to your heart, you have to do those things mostly, majorly. So for me, those things are going into nature, spending time with furry animals, with pets, cats, dogs, going for trekking, eating your favorite food, pampering yourself, treating yourself, shopping, because healing takes time, and whatever things that are required for healing be enjoyable, should not be like being so hard on yourself. So do that will surely help you. That has helped me. Also, one more thing, these mental health issues are going to come and show up in some different form in your life. So this time you have really spent in understanding the strategies to overcome or healing are going to help you the next time it again comes. Try all these things, might help you. Point number 2, family comes first. Everybody knows that, right? But very few of us realize that and put it into reality, especially when family is the one who stands by us, behind us, having our back. And in good times, it doesn't necessarily insist on us spending time with them, but in bad times, it makes sure that we all are together, that they are with us, so that whatever problem comes, we face it together. है ना? And I realized it very late, like in this pandemic situation especially, I saw people losing their families. And I can't really stress on the fact that how much family is important, because see, family is going to consider you as the integral part of them. Whenever whatever situation comes, they are going to take your name first, because you are a part of them. And whereas friends are a part of your life, but not as important as your family. It's going to vary from person to person. I'm very sorry for the people who don't have such families, but if you have somebody you can call as family, you're blessed, and at any cost protect them and preserve them. Now, point number 3, see to it that you're taking care of yourself as an adult. Now, what happens in Indian middle class families or middle lower class families is we are not given any sort of rights of decision making for ourselves. Like our parents take it even till the age of 15, 16. We are not given any sort of decision making powers, because they are, of course, they care for us, but what happens in this chakkar is we don't really become responsible enough and accountable enough for our own actions. We become so dependent, and we don't really know to do many things until we become adults. खाना पकाना नहीं आता है, पैसे कमाना नहीं आता है, पैसे मैनेज करना नहीं आता है, any sorts of skills that are required for livelihood, वो हमको नहीं आती है चीजें. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे लिए किसी और ने ही करी है इतने टाइम के लिए. So if you are somebody whose age ranges between 17, 18, 19 or in your early 20s, please take my advice and start taking care of yourself. खाना पकाना सीख लो, वॉशिंग मशीन लगाना सीख लो, पैसे कमाना सीख लो, साइड हसल कुछ अपना करना है तो वो सीख लो, फाइनेंशियल अपना मैनेजमेंट है वो अपना खुद का सीख लो. सो बेसिकली बी इंडिपेंडेंट. ऑफ कोर्स यू आर गोइंग टू नीड पीपल फॉर डूइंग स्टफ, बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. देयर शुड नॉट कम अ पॉइंट जहां पे आप बिल्कुल ऐसे हाथ छोड़ के खड़े हो कि यू डोंट नो टू डू इट एट ऑल. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. So that's the whole point of this thing, because I have focused on working on myself this year. I really made myself an independent person हर तरीके से. Point number 4, that is, people around you have all sorts of things to say. Now, with the intention of considering what they are saying, it might happen that you get manipulated with what they are saying. अब इसको हिंदी में बताती हूँ मैं. हमारे आजू बाजू में जो लोग होते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिलीज, योर रिलेटिव्स और पीपल अराउंड यू, दे आर गोइंग टू say a lot of things. They're going to tell about their own experiences. They're going to tell about certain companies, certain industries, certain skill. जो उनका एक्सपीरियंस रहा है उसके बारे में वो बताने वाले हैं. तो उसको, वो जो कह रहे हैं उसको सिर्फ कंसिडर करना या एक ह्यूमन डिसेंसी को दिखा के सिर्फ उनकी बातें सुनना इज अलग, एंड वो जो कह रहे हैं उससे मैनिपुलेट होके खुद भी वैसे ही करना इज अलग. क्योंकि मेरे साथ ये हुआ है, दिस हैज बीन माई एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई लिटरली गॉट मैनिपुलेटेड एंड आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग स्टफ व्हाट अदर पर्सन हैड डिड. तो डोंट फॉरगेट दैट यू आर अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, अ डिफरेंट इंडिविजुअल हु इज लीडिंग अ लाइफ इन अ डिफरेंट वे. तो कोई किसी और इंसान ने कुछ करी है चीज, तो आप वैसे ही करके आप खुद नहीं रह रहे हो, आप वो इंसान हो रहे हो. Right? So don't forget about your beliefs, your ambitions, your thoughts, your values, your requirements. Basically everything take into consideration what is yours. Unka nahi. Okay? So just take care of that and be yourself. 5th and the last point, that is hustle, hustle and hustle. Now why this TED Talk? Because we everyday see ordinary people around us leading ordinary lives, doing ordinary things. Now, no offense to people who think ordinary is good. Even I agree to that to an extent. But if you're somebody who wishes the world to know your name and who is aspired to become somebody you're extremely inspired by, आई थिंक ऑर्डिनरी डजंट साउंड दैट गुड टू यू, राइट? सो बाकी चीज़ें तो होती है, जैसे हम जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं वैसे कहा जाता है कि पैसे कमाओ, जॉब ढूंढो, फैमिली में सेटल हो जाओ, शादी कर लो, जो भी है। तो ये चीज़ें तो करनी है, ये लोग सब करते हैं। बट if you're really ambitious about that one thing, if you're really passionate about that one thing, you got to do that extra work. क्योंकि आप नहीं करोगे तो कोई आपके लिए आके करने वाला है नहीं, राइट? एंड एक हसल ही ऐसी चीज है जो आप इन सारी चीजों के बावजूद भी करते रहोगे, तभी जाके एट वन सर्टेन पॉइंट कुछ तो आपका अचीवमेंट होगा एंड तभी आप कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी कर पाओगे। Now I had read somewhere this quote, I'll just share. कोशिश ही सब कुछ है। कोशिश करने वालों की हार जीत हो ना हो, कहानी जरूर होती है। So basically if you are somebody who is trying to excel in your field and doing greater work with each coming day, but still एक स्टेप आप बस पीछे रह गए और कुछ हो गया कि आप अब आगे उसको नहीं परस्यू कर पा रहे हो, हेल्थ इश्यूज हो सकती है, फैमिली इश्यूज हो सकती है, जो भी है, बट वो जो एक्सपीरियंस आपने इतने टाइम में पाया है, वो जो कहानी है आपकी, दैट यू कैन रियली शेयर विद द वर्ल्ड एंड शेयर विद द पीपल हु आर इन नीड ऑफ दैट। एंड यू नेवर नो, समटाइम इन योर लाइफ वो बंदा आके कहेगा या वो बंदा दुनिया वालों के सामने कहेगा कि इस इंसान ने मेरा हाथ थामा, इस इंसान ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया, हेल्प किया, इसलिए आई एम हियर। तो नेवर 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 अंडर एस्टिमेट दैट एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू आर गेनिंग फ्रॉम हसलिंग। तो आप जॉब कर रहे हो, खुश हो अपनी जिंदगी में, मीडियोकर लाइफ जीना आपको पसंद है, बट ट्राई टू take that one more step and do something, be greedy about it. So that's all I think for year 2021's learning, and ये लास्ट दिन है आज का। आई होप यू हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर, एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर मैं और कुछ ट्राई करूंगी, बहुत सारी चीजें आपके सामने लाने के लिए। लेट मी नो इफ दिस वीडियो हैज हेल्प्ड यू, और इफ यू फाउंड इट गुड, और इफ यू फाउंड इट बोरिंग, जो भी है आप बता सकते हो मुझे। एंड प्लीज ड्रॉप अ कॉमेंट, like and share with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't really subscribed, and press the bell icon, and वो सारी चीजें करो जो आप सपोर्ट करने के लिए कर सकते हो। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।